Hey guys, I'm back. For this soap, I'm going to be doing just the standard spoon swirl with a teaspoon that you scoop up and roll. And I'm going to do 2 rotations where I go down to the bottom, 1 and 2. I've tried this before with 3, and with the technique I'm going to be using, 3 just doesn't seem to work really well. So I'm going to get started because this is kind of thick. And I'm going to lay down plain batter, about 1/3 of the way up for this. That should do it. Grab a paper towel. I'm going to tap this down a little bit because it is thicker than I'm used to working with, but a thicker trace, like medium to medium thick, seems to work better actually with the spoon swirl. If it's too thin, unfortunately, you kind of muddy up your colors. I'm going to sprinkle Black Pearl Mica by Nurture on top of this. And that was not enough, probably. Get it in the edges. Set this here. Get a little bit more. Okay. Just like with mica lines, when you do this and then you lay a different color on top, it will actually outline that color. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in just a minute. Probably enough. I'm going to set this gently down. Now I'm going to carefully, this is Red Raspberry by Nurtures, and I'm going to use this little spoon. Now I'll just use this and wipe it off, and I'm going to pour on top because I really don't want to break through my layers here. Here, give me a second. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So I've got the plain batter, and I've got the Black Pearl Mica, and now I'm going to use Red Raspberry, and I'm going to lay in a middle 3rd layer. There we go. That's all right. That off. I'm going to tap this down just a little bit, settle the layers, and now I'm going to use the mica again. Okay. I'm going to sprinkle this on top. I've done this once before, and what ends up happening is you end up with this colored layer, like I said, is outlined once you go to swirl, and it's a really cool effect. As I mentioned in my intro video, you don't have to do the standard up and over swirl when it comes to the spoon swirl for this challenge. For this challenge, it's just swirl with a spoon. I wanted to leave this open for interpretation so that you have creativity, and it's not a rigid technical challenge like my last one, but at the same time it is a technical challenge. So I just wanted to give it a little bit more of an open option here. Now I'm going to, this is really setting up on me. It's all right. I'm going to gently scoop this down, stir it. All right. This is much thicker than I like to work with, but honestly, it's probably going to work better for the spoon swirl because I've swirled thin and it just doesn't seem to it doesn't seem to hold its colors quite well. It seems to muddy them up a little bit. Flatten that out. I've marked here, here, and here where my soaps are in this mold, so I can make sure I hit every bar. Tap that down. Now I'm going to go 1, 2 on each bar, going down the row and down the row. So let's see. I'm going to hit the bottom. 1, 2. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off because I don't want to muddy up each soap. And soap number 3, 1, 2. Oh, my dog's going crazy. Sorry, guys. 1, 2. There's side number 1. Get another paper towel. And I could go opposite. I think I'm just going to go the same way and try to create the same effect on both sides. So 1, 2. Bar number 1. Bar 2. Not a lot of soap there. Okay. Bar 3. And bar 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and decorate these tops, and I will show you the final product. Like I said, 2 colors. You can do things in between the layers like I just did. It doesn't matter as long as you're swirling with a spoon, teaspoon, baby spoon, tablespoon, doesn't matter. I hope you guys join this challenge, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have fun with it.